Hello and welcome to the 2022 November release of Shopware version 6.4.17. This release includes improved self-service B2B suite functions on the storefront, revised error notifications, CMS elements for the app system, and the small performance improvements. Let's start with the core functions. We have revised and unified the display of error messages. From now on, when you configure something in the administration and an error message appears, you should understand faster and easier what caused the error and how you can fix it. In this example, when we attempt to create a new product with some lacking information, we get a unified warning at the top of the screen, meaning three fields must not be empty before saving, including title, and gross and net prices, which are highlighted in red. Another development made in the core is about shipping method price calculation performance improvement. If shipping method has rules and advanced prices as conditions, we do have a better performance now when customer changes shipping method in the storefront. The third function I want to mention in this video is about the new CMS elements via the app system. The shopping experiences are essential for Shopware, where a lot of merchants and partners work with on a regular basis. From now on, app developers can extend the shopping experiences. With their apps, they can add custom elements, so merchants will soon enjoy even more freedom in designing stunning content pages. This now gives more flexibility for customization, not only when using plugins. We are already looking forward to many possibilities and creations from the community. Let's skip to the commercial news now and talk a little bit about the B2B suite improved self-service functions on the storefront. Customers using the B2B suite now are able to edit certain profile settings within the storefront directly without having to reach out to their admins. There is an additional menu item in the navigation bar called My Profile, under which debtors and contacts can manage contact information such as salutation, first name and last name, and the email addresses, and edit them directly on the storefront. I hope you enjoy all the new functions of the November release 2022. We appreciate all the pull requests of the GitHub contributors we could merge into this version.